What's up mga basketball? Welcome back to our channel, Basketballerong Bano at your service. Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are, and welcome to our channel again. Okay, so today we're going to do an unboxing again. Right? It's a retro. Let's do it. Here we go mga basketball. Ito po yun. So I got it from Champs this time. Champs Sports. And I paid $1 more for this reusable bag. So I can use this in buying groceries, right? So this is good for environment because this is reusable. So I know that even in other countries, right? Even in Philippines, we stop using plastic bag, which is good for our environment, right? So that's why I strongly support reusable bag. Okay, let's do it. Asin na po natin sa bag na to. Okay, ito na po yun, mga ka-basketball. So, Jordan 8, of course, it's retro. Jordan 8 playoffs. Let's do it. Okay, again, my receipt. There we go. Alright. So ito po yan mga basketball. Okay? So for me, that's why this is also not my favorite, Jordan 8. Kasi sa akin, para sa akin po, para po siyang over-design. Right? Yung, parang marami pong elements. Right? So, hindi po siya simple. So, mayroon pong strap. Right? Tapos, ito pong kuwan niya, kuwan niya, parang yung Jumpman logo. Right? Sa tang. Mayroon pong mga ganito. I don't know how you call it. Okay? So, then, of course, ito, kaya lang, I use the Jordan 8 Aqua in playing basketball. This one really do help. Okay, it is really support of your heel. So maganda po, in fairness. Okay, so dito po yung strap po niya pag ganun. So number 23. Okay, so sa akin po, para po kasi akong minimalist in terms of design. So ito po para sa akin, medyo nasobran po ako ng elements. Right? So ito po ang Jordan 8 playoffs. So medyo colorful po yung outer sole niya. Right? As you will notice. So may color, iba-ibang kulay. Right? In yellow, red, right? Sure. But I think there is no extraordinary element that was added. Only of course, retro photo. So I think the design is the same with the old one, right? So Jordan 8 playoffs. So meaning, self-explanatory, nagamit po ito ni Jordan during the playoffs, right? So of course, Chicago Bulls, right? So, mayroong pula, itim, and white, right? So, okay. So, by the way, mga ka-basketball, I'm encouraging all of you guys to make a comment. So, ano pong paborito nyo? Kasi sa akin, as I told you, paborito ko po ay Jordan 1, 3, and 11. So, ano pong paborito nyo? So, kanya-kanya po tayong gusto, di ba? So I'm encouraging you guys, kung mag-comment kayo at sabi nyo kung anong paborito nyong Jordan basketball shoes, especially retros. Okay? So, kanya-kanya po tayong paborito. Again, sabi ko nga, paborito ko po Jordan 1, 3, and 11. Okay. Ito po ang Jordan 8 playoffs. Alright. Jordan 8 playoffs. Have a closer look, guys. Okay. I have also Jordan 8 confetti. Yeah, napaganda po nun. So, hindi ko po siya sinuot. Right? So, ginamit ko lang pong pang basketball yung Jordan Aqua. So, napakasarap po ng ilaro. Kaya lang nga po, sabi ko nga sa design, para sa akin, overwhelming po. So, mayroon pang strap dito. Right? Ito, mayroon pang ganito. Dito, right? So, kanya-kanya tayong opinion or yung gusto sa basketball shoes or shoes in general. Yung iba gusto maraming design, maraming elements. So, ang iba naman, parehas ko, gusto ko yung simple lang. Basta as long as that, ang importante yung kanya, performance. What I meant is, ano ba yung traction, support, tapos yung comfort. Right? Ng paanyo inside the shoe. So, para sa akin lang yun. Okay? Okay, maka-basketball. Okay, Jordan 8 playoffs. Alright. Okay, thank you very much mga basketball. Okay, so Jordan 8 playoffs. So meaning, during that time, 1998, they got in playoffs. That's why there is Jordan 8 playoffs. And they won the first 3-peat. Okay? So that's why inabas po nila yung Jordan 8 3-peat. Ito po yun. Okay? Ito po ang Jordan 8 3-peat. Okay. Of course, colorful po rin siya. Okay? Jordan 8 3-peat. So ito po yung Jordan 8 3-peat. Okay? So colorful rin po, right? Almost the same outer sole. I mean the color of outer sole. Right? Ito po yun. Jordan 8 3-peat. So, tapos po ng playoffs, abot sila ng finals, and they won the first 3-peat. So, it is 96, 97, and 98. So, first 3-peat po. Ito po ang nilabas nilang Jordan 8 3-peat. Okay? So, alin po ba mas maganda? Yung playoff or yung 3-peat? Right? Maybe we can compare, right? Wala naman mawawala kung ikukumpara natin. Okay. Okay, ito po yun. Right? Let's see the let's see the outer sole. So ito po palang pagkakaiba. Right? Ito po yung 3 feet. So ito, purple. Right? Ito naman, pula. Yellow. And this one is red. Right? So ito, kulay itim lang. And this one, meron siyang purple. Right? Okay? So maybe I can wear this in my right foot. And I can use this in my left foot. Pagkamalan akong sira ulo. I think, pero uso rin yan ngayon right? Anyways, mga basketball, ito po yung 3 feet. Okay, so after playoffs, nanalo po sila ng finals. First 3 feet. So ito po tinawag na Jordan 8 3 feet. Alright? Okay, mga basketball, thank you very much for watching. And see you whenever.